everybody, it's JBM Travels here, the true UK traveller, with my very first unboxing and review video. This is the unboxing and review of the Mi Mix 3, which was released back in October of 2018, almost 2 years ago. And now we are going to unbox the phone. Before we unbox the phone and get into details of it, I would like to show you the back of it. So here is a sneak preview of the back. Now let's unbox the phone. So I'll put the phone to the side. And first thing we have is a message from him himself, and it says, "On the road to expedition, we will continuously invest, continuously strive, and continuously break through. We are willing to devote an additional 100%, even if we only improve by 1%. Be friends with our users. Be the coolest company in the hearts of the users." That's that. Of course, the phone's not in there, so we're going to put this part to the side. The coolest thing is you've got a wireless charger. Right here is the wireless charger. You've got a USB cable, Type C. You've got a European plug. In here, you've got the manual, you've got the case, a few more manuals, you've got the SIM injector tool, you've got the headphone jack, which is a USB Type C headphone jack, as there is no headphone jack on the phone. So that is the unboxing. Now let's review the actual phone. So now we have the phone, and we are going to check out the fingerprint sensor to see how fast it is and how accurate it is. Here it is. Wow, that is quite quick. Not the quickest, I don't think. Probably quicker out there, but it is very accurate. Yeah, I do like that fingerprint sensor. It packs a 6.39 inch display, 1080 by 2340 pixels. It packs a 3200 milliamp battery, which should last you all day. It has a Super AMOLED screen, which is made by Samsung. That's a Super AMOLED screen. Again, it's made by Samsung. It has quick charge, or you could say quantum quick charge 4 plus or 4.0, which is very fast, but not as fast as Oppo Volt charging, is it? Yeah, Volt charging is the fastest, but this isn't the fastest, but it is very fast. It will beat the iPhone, and it will beat many Android phones out there. So if you want to see or take a look at the specs, please see the link below. And yeah, let's view the phone now. So you just slide it up to see the camera. Your selfie camera's there. As you can see me in that. Close it. Turn it around. You can see the other side. Quite good. Let's power an app open. YouTube. Let's open this. Very good.
Hello and welcome to the 20th anniversary of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Yep, for the next...
Don't want to get flagged. That's that. Let's open the web browser now. We're going to type in YouTube. We're going to click on YouTube. We're going to type in something else then. We're going to type in let's go to Facebook. Let's open it with Chrome. Let's open something else then. We're going to open www.gov. We're going to open Google. We'll open this. There you go. Very fast. Enough messing about with that. That's that. Let me play a tune for you. I'm going to play a tune for you. That's that. The back, it's got a case on it now. It's got a dedicated button here which I have mapped already as I've been using this phone. So look, we're going to open this. We're going to close this. We're going to open this. I'll open that. So if I we'll go back between the apps. So we'll open this app. And then if I click it and let go, it will go to this. And then we've got BBC iPlayer. Want to see the camera again? Let's open the camera module again. Just slide down. Just slide down to see that. And on the side, don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you got your power button. You got your volume rockers up and down, down and up. On the other side, you've got this button which will be mapped to the Google Assistant, but I've mapped it to something else because you can change it, but it is limited. And it has a very good screen. It's very good. Brand new, you're paying about $499.99. That's £500 basically for this. But you can find it on eBay for about £200. I paid £200 exactly, plus £5 postage and packaging. You can find it in CX, grade B 190. It packs 128 gigabytes by 6 gigabyte of RAM. This model is. If you want a bit more, you're going to pay about $260 for an 8 gigabyte model. That's an 8 gigabyte RAM model. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this phone. There is one con, sorry, and that con is the loudspeaker. Not great. Not great at all. There is a one in the middle, which is the Google Assistant button. Right there. That Google Assistant button. That's in the middle. I'm 50-50 about that. It has loads of pros. A good camera. I'm talking about selfie camera because I like this mechanism. That's a good thing. It has a very good screen, which is a Super AMOLED screen made by Samsung. It has quantum quick charge. I need to learn how to say that. 4.0, 4 plus, that is. And it has this wireless charging dock, which I shall plug it in for you in a second, just to show you. It's not light, but it is heavy. It's got good response when you use apps, very good for YouTube, very good outside. Would I recommend this phone? Definitely would recommend this phone. What score would I give it? I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. Not a 9, because it is missing some key features. It has very stable video for making videos, very good for making videos, but it does lag a bit on 4K, but yeah. So now we're going to see the fast charging. Now everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye!